Haley, quiet. Happy birthday.
That's from me.
Happy birthday, Addison. Love you. How
Look on the
cute.
back.
There's something on the back.
No, open it up on the back.
All right, show me how. Oh, look at that. You're so creative. How cute is that?
There's things that I colored in.
You did a great job. All right, this is from Alex and Amy. This is Open it. Go ahead, tear it apart. Oh. Hey, we got batteries.
That's from
Look
Alex.
it.
That's from Alex.
It's walkie-talkies.
I see.
Cute. Royal walkie-talkies. Oh! Where's Betty Mo?
Over here. Did you find it?
Did you get wrapped in the present? That's wrapped in the present.
I looked everywhere for it.
Open that up, Addison, with love from the hills. Isn't that nice?
That's from
Let me
Mom.
see.
We all got together and made you cards.
That was wonderful. Very creative. Look, and he got you an animal book. I love
It's
Eric
Alex
Carle.
Cole, animal.
What do you say? All right.
And then walk.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Put that on your head. Oh my goodness. How about we like to see?
Which one do you want next?
Stop it. I know, it's getting sweaty out here. All right, what do you want to open next? This is from, let's see. It's from you. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a new blanket.
Nice.
Tangled. What do you think? Oh, I love it. I will be wearing that, using that.
I knew she liked it. Really like it.
And you got something else. Oh my goodness. It's a card. Oh, that must be Fiona. Did you draw that, Owen?
It took us a while to sit down and
Fiona do that? Look at the beautiful birthday. Oh, it's a happy birthday, Barbie. What do you say?
characters and
Addison, hold it up for me. Look at me. I can't see your face, though. There you go. What do you say? All right, I love it. I'll be using this tonight.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
Let's see what else.
Apparently I can't play because I stayed out.
Okay, this, I think these all go together. This is, hang on now. It says, open me. Hope you have a great day. Love, Caden. Look, how cute. Open me. Open me. What's that? You got some bead. Oh, good. We like beads. See? You can make a cool little turtle with that. Excellent. That's fun. Here. This is all from.
Hello. Mom,
What?
then I know it's going to be. I'm tearing it apart.
There it goes.
I knew it.
What is it? Hold it up.
Yay.
That looks like a coloring book. That's a coloring book.
What is it? Turn it around. Let me see. A coloring book. Hooray!
It's a coloring book for you.
Wow, that's a cool one.
Okay, let's see.
Pretty princess. Yeah, let's see what that is. Claire's spot
Let's
here.
see what's in that big one. I do not know what's going to be in that big one. It's something out of a square. Ceiling.
This is my breath. Hey, that's fun. Elephant.
That was really
Look, that's all right. I got a ton. I have a ton. I got this. All right, what do you say? Let me get the dirt off your face. All right, thank you so much.
this ceiling.
no.